kitchen. I'm Chef Eileen and this is Little Chef Ian.
Little Chef Eileen.
Little Chef Ian.
Little Chef Eileen.
Okay, let's just move on.
Little
So
Chef
today we're
Eileen.
going to be making our favorite candy apples. They're super delicious and easy to make.
Since it's Halloween, we like to make candy apples. Hey, who doesn't like candy apples on Halloween? Little boys.
Yeah, they're amazing. So now the kitchen rules. Make sure you wash your hands, your work area is clean, and you have adult supervision. Never turn on a stove without adult supervision because you can burn yourself and that's bad. But the most important rule of the kitchen is Happy Birthday! Yay!
Hey, you did it. What about this one?
What? What? What do you mean you didn't forget about this one?
The egg one.
What?
Yeah.
The egg? No! Not the egg! Are you kidding me, Ian? Let's move on. The most important rule of the kitchen is
Set the first
bam! So now, let's get cooking! Okay guys, so now these are the ingredients. We're gonna need
a wooden spoon. We're gonna need wooden sticks. We're gonna need apples. We're gonna need corn syrup. We're using 3 colors: blue, green, and white.
You can use any color.
We're gonna need vanilla.
We're
water,
making different colors of them.
water, sugar, and
Fondant! We're gonna use our fondant to make a surprise. We're gonna need towels, one of these thingies, a tray, and a silicone mat thing. Don't use wax paper because you're gonna have your apples.
because when you put like the caramel, all of the caramel is gonna get stuck.
We're doing candy apples today.
Candy.
Candy, it's gonna get stuck and you're not gonna be able to get out. And if you pull it off, all of the paper is gonna be stuck onto
Yeah.
the candy, the bad part.
So now, we'll see you in a second. So now we're gonna make our apples. We're going to take off the
Wax.
the wax from our apples. It's the shiny stuff that's on the outside. You have to do this on every single apple you do. With the chocolate apples, the caramel apples, candy apples, you still need to do it. Because if you don't do it, whatever you put on top, we're doing candy apples, when you put the candy on top, it's gonna smear off. That's not what we want. So we're not gonna do that. We're just going to get it on here and we're gonna dip it in the hot water, the boiling water, and then we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because we don't want to completely cook it and make applesauce. There you go, Ian.
So we're just gonna get the apple and then we're gonna go like this, because if you don't go like this, all of the wax is not gonna completely come off.
So now we're gonna make our candy. You're gonna need a thermometer right here. So we're gonna pour our sugar. Wait. Oops. You have to stir it or else it's gonna get burned. So we're gonna put our water. It's starting to boil, so we're gonna add our corn syrup. So you need to keep on stirring because when you put your sugar, because if you don't stir it, it's gonna get clumps, and we don't want clumps. And then, so we're gonna keep stirring for 5 minutes and then add our vanilla flavoring. So we're gonna add our vanilla flavoring.
Slowly.
So now we're gonna put our thermometer, and we have to make sure our sugar gets to 300 temperature. So this is my thermometer. We have to make sure it hits 300.
It's almost at 300.
Yep. So it's ready. So now we're gonna put the food coloring. The coloring. We're gonna put 3 drops.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Wow.
Whoa. I like
And you
this.
want to mix it slowly because it's very hot. If you want, you could just ask your parents to do it for you.
But you're good doing it?
Yeah.
You're an expert?
Yep.
Whoa, I like this blue.
Okay, so now your dad is gonna help you to put the sticks in the apples.
Yep.
Look at this stick and you're just gonna
You just
punch
stabbed it
it
in.
through right there. There you go.
Can I have an apple?
You guys have to push it in a little bit more.
Wrong side
More?
again.
A little bit in
More.
more.
Can I have an apple?
I actually had the hammer
You
is
gonna
there.
I want the hammer.
try?
See, you guys can do this as a family. Oh,
Yeah,
and
that's
I was
good.
gonna show you something. Eileen left some apples longer than others, and as you can see, they got a little bit overcooked, and you don't want to cook them.
No, that's not.
Yeah.
So that brown little part that you see is the part that Eileen left in the hot water.
Perfect.
Can you hammer it?
I'll do
Hold it. No. Let me see. Hold it. Hold the stick. Perfect. Done.
Okay, so this is how you're gonna make your candy apples. You can do 2 or 1 course. You're just gonna put it.
Slowly. There you go. So now we're just gonna let drip the excess in. Lift it slowly. Slowly. Yeah, you don't keep moving it around. Just keep it. Sí, muy bien. So let it drip for a little, and then you're gonna put it on the tray.
Right now.
Stop stripping. You get your chance.
Nice, Ian. Good job. So we are gonna speed it up a little bit, and then we're gonna show you how our apples
this one
look
didn't
like.
separate it much.
Nice.
Okay guys, so now these are some helpful tips. When you're scrubbing your apples, you have to make sure you scrub them really good, or else the candy, when you put it on, it's not gonna go on. It's gonna start smearing off. And before you dip your apples in the candy, make sure your candy kind of cools a little bit so it can actually
Form into the candy.
like. Okay, so another quick tip is
You should
use gel food coloring. Gel coloring.
because
All
all of
food colorings are different.
they're not the same.
Yeah.
So
Since it's Halloween season, we're gonna turn our apples into creepy aliens or
Ooh.
magical thingamabobs.
ooh,
And we're gonna use fondant. It's super easy to make, inexpensive, and our mom has been using it for years to make cupcakes, cakes,
cake pops. So watch out, cake.
yeah, just everything. And our mom will post it on our Instagram, which is same thing, Eileen and Ian's World. Same thing. Follow us too.
So
This is our fondant. We're gonna put the recipe on YouTube so you can learn how to make it. It's really cheap and easy to make and delicious.
hey, it's $3. Don't tell me you can't make this.
Yeah. So
If you made it,
We can make it.
anyone can make it. So one tip before you roll your
your thing,
The
put
dough-
flour on your thing.
You wanna put
sugar.
Powdered sugar.
on it so it won't get stuck on your.
And what happens if I put too much sugar?
It's gonna crack.
And what happens if it cracks?
It's not gonna work anymore.
Yes, you add a little bit of water and you redo it and put it in your fridge so it can get hard again.
Yep.
So we will speed it up.
Yep. Bye. So now, this got a little messy, but let us show you.
1, 2, 3. I love them.
This one's name is Ian. This one's name is Ian, and this one's name is Ian.
This is Bob. This is Bob.
Chef Ian. Well, we were so excited to
Decorate our aliens that we didn't even get to try them.
So let's try it. Bye.
They can't even see. Is it delicious?
Yes.
Can I
it
eat
is.
one?
You can eat Timmy.
Okay.
Bye. Make sure to subscribe. Give us a big thumbs up
Up and ring the bell.
Ding. I hope we put a smile
On your face.